Hello everyone, welcome to Apple Tech Report. Today we're featuring our first video with the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. We're going to be unboxing them and showing you how to pair them together with your phone. Let's get this thing open. Okay, here we go. Looking good. You can see here they're quite a bit different shape than the original AirPods. A little bit bigger earpiece. Case is a little bit shorter, a little bit wider. Still smaller than the AirPod Pro case. Take a closer look at the earbud here. You can see a much shorter stem. We have the Force Touch ability to switch songs, pause tracks. You can see here the comparison differences in the case, stem size, earpiece. The new case features Lightning as well as the old, and we also have the MagSafe wireless charging. A little bit of a close-up here. See the larger vents. These AirPods actually feature a skin sensor instead of the IR sensor, meaning they should be a little more reactive to your skin instead of just the proximity. At the bottom here we have the wireless charging mechanism for when you snap it in the case. Close up of the speaker grill here. You can see it's a smaller shape than the original AirPods. A little bit different than the AirPod Pros without the rubber tips. Close up on the skin sensor here. And like I mentioned, still have the inclusion of Lightning at the bottom to get the absolute fastest charging on the case. Cable included is a Lightning to USB-C. So let's get it paired with the phone. To do that, just like every other AirPod, you just pop open the tap, and there you go. Once you see that, you just hit connect, and you're pretty much done. It'll give you a couple options here so you can customize things, and it'll explain how the media controls work. But we're going to skip out of that. Don't need it to announce our calls or notifications. That's quite annoying, I find. But yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, and share.